कैलकुलेटर अपने पास. Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back on my channel. I'm Dr. Kamran with you, and today we have very important discussion related to our previous topic which we started in previous lectures. And as you know that we selected the topic of integrations or area under the curve through integrations with limits. And in this topic we started some past paper technical questions, and now we will try to complete that lecture series further 2 or 3 videos. So hopefully, and after completion of my all lecture series related to the integrations, and you will not feel any kind of the difficulty to solve the past paper questions. So after my this video, I will inshallah cover the topics which we started between of this topic that was related to the uh, circle theorems. We will cover these topics through past paper questions. So guys, let's start now. And first of all, I have selected a question that was the questions paper June 2004, and paper 1 question number 7. It is around 4 mark question. First of all, acha, what is the question is here? The question is here, equation of curve y equal to 18 over x. एक curve है, ठीक है? That is, now you can look here in the diagram. Okay, now curve is y equal to 18 over x. This is the curve, and the normal to the curve. एक नॉर्मल हमने प्लॉट किए, दैट इज कॉल्ड द नॉर्मल. इसको हम नॉर्मल का नाम दे रहे हैं. ये मेरी एक नॉर्मल है. ओके, इट इज कॉल्ड नॉर्मल. इसको मैं नॉर्मल कह रहा हूं, नॉर्मल. ओके. अच्छा, एंड नॉर्मल मीट्स इट एट पॉइंट पी. इस पॉइंट के ऊपर इससे मीट कर रही है. अच्छा, फर्दर देयर इज अ टेंजेंट. एक टेंजेंट भी प्लॉट हुई हुई है, ये आपको नजर आ रही होगी. दिस इज द टेंजेंट लाइन which is highlighted with blue marker here. Okay, okay, ठीक है. And now and s on the curve pq and sr. s जो है इस कर्व के ऊपर लाई कर रहा है, and sr and the pq are parallel to y axis. It is your y axis. ये y axis के parallel है. And now volume of the solid obtained when the shaded region, ये shaded region है. Volume of the region obtained when that shaded region rotated 360 degree about axis. X axis is 18 pi. ये प्रूफ करना है कि volume of the shaded region is 18 pi when it rotated 360 degree with respect to two curve. Now देखो ये it is little bit different question. And in previous class, previous lecture, we covered the topic of the volume of the area, solid area, by taking the pi square root, और हमने उसको over the limit हमने उसको integrate किया था, if you recall it. Okay. अब यहाँ पे क्या है, you have two curve. तो एक कर्व क्या है, that is the normal. ठीक है, normal एक equation given होगी, and this is another equation of this curve. उसके around that solid will rotate excuse me with respect to sorry, with respect to 360 degree. Okay, and you have to find out. So now let's start this question. अब हमने करना क्या, देखो जब भी टेंजेंट दी हुई हो तो व्हाट इज द क्राइटेरिया. क्या क्राइटेरिया होता है जब टेंजेंट दी हुई होती है? सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं, इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट मालूम करते हैं. रिमेंबर, ये हमेशा याद रखो, whenever you have a tangent with respect to the curve या at the curve, और कर्व की इक्वेशन दी हुई है in the integration question, so always find out the equation of tangent at that particular point. तो सबसे पहला काम तो इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट मालूम करना है. तो how you can find out the equation of tangent? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू डिफरेंशिएट दिस कर्व. स्लोप निकाल लोगे, क्योंकि इक्वेशन मालूम करने के लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्या चाहिए होता है, स्लोप चाहिए होता है. अच्छा, एक और इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है यहाँ पे, एक और क्या चाहिए तुम्हें, इस नॉर्मल की इक्वेशन भी चाहिए. लुक एट हियर बच्चों, यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट द इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल. तो तुम्हें क्या इक्वेशन चाहिए, दो इक्वेशन चाहिए, इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट्स an equation of normal. This is the line of equation of normal. Clear? Yes.
We can directly find out the equation of the normal by using the reciprocal of the gradient of tangent.
हाँ ना, तो हम वो कर सकते हैं. क्लियर?
तो हमें टेंजेंट की
हमें
equation की जरूरत
टेंजेंट
नहीं
की
है.
इक्वेशन से हमें क्या है, हमें स्लोप चाहिए. स्लोप निकालकर हम क्या करेंगे, उसकी इक्वेशन की जरूरत नहीं है. हम क्या करेंगे, टेंजेंट की इक्वेशन का स्लोप निकाल लेंगे एंड देन यू कैन पुट और टेक द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ फॉर द नॉर्मल. ओके, राइट? ओके, ये सॉल्यूशन इज हियर. ओके, और क्या करना है बच्चों, द गिवन इक्वेशन इज y इक्वल टू 18 over x. Now differentiate this one. So dy over dx. Okay. What about? अच्छा, सबसे पहले now arrange this one. 18 into x की power minus 1. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Now differentiate it one. 18 minus 1 minus 1. So it is minus 18 over x square. Am I right?
Yes.
It is the slope of tangent. That is the slope of tangent. Slope of tangent. Okay. Yes. Now the slope of tangent. Okay. Look at the equations. अब क्या करना है कि first of all just put the value of x is here. Yes. And get the numerical answer of the slope. क्या करूंगा, कौन सा पॉइंट पुट करूंगा? 6. नाउ पुट x इक्वल टू minus 18 over 6 का स्क्वायर. ओके, दिस पॉइंट वैल्यू. यस, व्हाट इज योर आंसर?
Minus 1 over 2.
Minus 18 over 36. So 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, minus 1 over 2. Okay, it is the slope at point P of tangent. Clear?
Yes.
Ab now normal is always perpendicular to the tangent. Okay, normal क्या होती है? It is always perpendicular to the tangent. So what is the criteria of the slope of the normal perpendicular line? Take the reciprocal of negative with inverse. ठीक है, यानी आप reciprocal लोगे with minus sign. Okay.
Yes.
So now the slope of normal. Okay. Yes, it is m लिख रहा हूं. Okay, m equal to minus 1 over minus 1 upon 2. Am I right?
Yes.
So what you will have? 2. Yes, your answer is 2. It is the slope of. Okay, so this point is also lie on the normal.
Yes.
Okay, so we can find out the equation of normal is here.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, equation of normal. Yes. क्या होगा बच्चों? y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Yes, y1 is what?
3.
y1 is 3, m is 2, x minus 6. Yes, give me answer. Y minus 3 equal to 2x minus 12 and y equal to 2x and it is minus 9. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, this is the equation of normal. Okay, अब now you have the equation of normal is here. Okay, अब this solid region rotated with respect to two equation or two curve. Clear? With respect to equation of normal and with respect to curve, equation of curve. Clear? And you have to find out the volume. Okay, 360 degree. So now the formula of volume is here. Formula of solid, formula of volume yes क्या होगा V ओके, ए बी y1 स्क्वायर माइनस y2 स्क्वायर.
So in last class we used the formula pi integral a
Oh, sorry, pi, v, sorry, and pi, yes.
and only y square.
Yes, y square ना, but in that question we will have only one equation, जिसके with respect to that equation the curve was rotated along the x-axis. Clear? Now there are the two equations. ठीक है, अब two equations के अंदर हम क्या करेंगे? अब आपके पास मुझे बताओ क्या करोगे? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल y स्क्वायर निकाल लो भाई. क्लियर? क्या करोगे y स्क्वायर निकालने के लिए?
Integrate 2x minus.
अच्छा, वो तो हम कर लेंगे, लेकिन ये तो हम फॉर्मूला है. नाउ वन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट कि व्हाट अबाउट द पॉइंट्स ऑफ r एंड दिस. हमें ये भी तो चाहिए फॉर द लिमिट्स.
Okay.
r चाहिए हमें.
Yes.
क्लियर? तो r में फिर इससे निकाल लूं. ठीक है, फाइंड r. ओके, क्या करूंगा? फाइंड पॉइंट r, उसके कोऑर्डिनेट निकालने. क्या करूंगा भाई बच्चों? ये निकालना है मुझे. क्या करूंगा? इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल्स के वही y एंड x इंटरसेप्ट.
Yes.
Okay, yes, now do it fast. Yeah, so y intercept is what? So 0 equal to 2x minus 9. Okay, what about the x?
9/2.
9/2. सही है, तो x is
3.
4.5.
Yes.
Okay, and y is 0. So what about the value of r is? r is क्या होगा बच्चों?
0,4.5.
4.5 comma
0.
0. Okay, r is 4.5 comma 0. यहाँ लिख रहा हूँ 4.5 comma 0. And what about the q is here? Yes, what about the q? 6 and 0.
Y6.
This one is the 6.
Okay.
Okay, right? So q is 6 and
0.
0. So now your lower limit a is 4.5 and upper limit is
6.
6. Okay, okay. So first of all अब मैं यहाँ पे यूज कर रहा हूं the volume. Yes, अब y का स्क्वायर करो. क्या करोगे? y1 का स्क्वायर. Yes, क्या करूंगा बच्चों? यहाँ लगाऊं फॉर्मूला. नाउ व्हाट अबाउट 4.5
And 6.
and 6? Y square is what? Yes. Where is the equation? 18 upon
X.
x का square minus what?
We will take the integral of the normal.
Oh, first of all, yes. What? y2 is what? This one. 2x minus 9 का square. Okay? And this is dx. Am I right? Clear? अब स्क्वायर खोल ले पहले, बाद में इंटीग्रेट करते हैं.
Yes.
Yes. So 18 का स्क्वायर is
36.
no 18 स्क्वायर
324.
3
24
24
over x square.
over x square. Yes, what about the square of square root? खोलो इसका. Yes, 4x square.
4x square.
Okay, या हम डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं. It is the power function. We can directly integrate. There is no need to open this square formula. Okay, directly we can integrate this one. Yes. क्या हो गया?
Power
2x
function है ये composite.
power function integration.
ये composite function है ये.
No, this is the power function. Simple.
No, power is on the whole bracket.
Power is on the whole bracket. So हमारे पास वही तो पावर फंक्शन होते हैं जब हम उसके क्या क्या करते हैं, डिफरेंशियल से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते, डिवाइड कर देते.
तो composite function.
कंपोजिट फंक्शन या एग्जैक्टली उसको आप पावर फंक्शन भी कह सकते हो. एग्जैक्टली कंपोजिट फंक्शन. ओके, क्लियर? राइट, कंपोजिट फंक्शन कह सकते हैं. अगर मैं इसको ओपन कर दूं तो पावर फंक्शन में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. ओके, राइट. तो देयर इज नो नीड टू ओपन दिस फंक्शन. So in the composite form, we can integrate this one.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. What about this one? Okay. So dx. Start करूं?
Yes.
क्या करूंगा बच्चों?
-2x plus cube.
ये ऊपर जाएगा माइनस
324x x power
324.
x power -2.
What about minus 324 x की power
-2.
-2 plus 1? Okay. And what about -2 plus 1? Am I right?
Yes.
And this is what? Minus 2x minus 9 का cube. Clear? क्या करोगे? Yes, 3 multiplied by differential of coefficient x is what? 2. And this is your limit. Is what? 4.5 into and 6, sorry. Yes, open this bracket. And this is minus minus 324 over x. Okay, and this one is minus 2x minus 9 cube divided by 6, and it is 4.5 into 6. Just open the brackets open कर रहे हैं. तो now the upper limit is what? Upper limit minus 324 divided by and 6 minus bracket 2 multiplied by 6, 9 का cube divided by 6 and minus, yes, what? 324 divided by 4.5 and minus bracket 2 multiplied by 4.5 minus 9 cube divided by 6 and get your answer. So your final answer will be, yes, 18 pi. Okay, you will have pi is here. Sorry, यहाँ पे pi भी है, मैंने मिस कर दिया है. Okay,
Okay.
you will have pi is here. So outside the bracket there is the pi. Yes. Yes. 18 pi.
Okay.
Okay. The answer is
18 pi.
18 pi. Proved. Okay. Now proved. Recall again why we take the difference in the formula of the volume as compared to the previous question. Because in the previous question there was only one equation, clear, and with respect to that one curve or equation, that solid region rotated with along x-axis. But here there are the two equations, one is for curve and one for normal. So that solid curve, that solid area, shaded region rotated along x-axis with respect to these two equations. So that's why we take the square of difference of these squares. ठीक है, हमने squares का difference लिया है and multiply by pi and integrate with respect to the lower limits and upper limits. Okay, now you get the answer is 18 pi. It has been proved now. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Move forward for next question.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Allah Hafiz. Wait for me for coming video.